guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate you. If you are new here, click on the subscribe button and subscribe so you don't miss any video from me. Okay guys, so in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful braidless faux hawk hairstyle here. And you know the good thing about this, it is that it is detachable. Yes, you can take this off and put it on whenever you want to. So yeah, let's get straight into the tutorial. I'm going to be using this weaving net cap. As you guys can see, this one has combs. You don't have to get the one with combs. Any one you have is fine, as long as you have the combs to, you know, sew it on. And even if you don't, you can always use T-pin. So as you guys can see, I'm cutting off the sides of the cap. Make sure you don't cut into the seams. Make sure you cut outside the seams. And I'm just showing you guys the one that I cut out. So yeah, after that, this is what we are going to have left. Okay guys, so this is too long for me because like I said, it's going to be like a more faux hawk style. And yeah, the hair I'm using is a little bit long, so if I use the whole thing like that, it's going to be too long and it's going to, like, I'll have to cut a lot out. So I went ahead and folded it a little bit, and I'm just going to leave it at 9. Yeah, 9. So depending on how big your head is, or yeah, big, wide, I don't know, you might just go ahead and measure your head first before you start doing this. So yeah, this is the hair I'm going to be using. It is called the fluffy one. I got this from my local beauty supply for about $10. I don't remember honestly. Yeah, but yeah, this is the hair I found. If you find a any hair that is not as long, it's even better because you end up cutting it off. So yeah, I'm going to be using this one. This was the best I could find. So yeah, let's just go straight and, you know, start crocheting this hair onto this wig cap. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and divide the hair into 3, like each strand into 3, because yeah, I love the look better when it is being divided. So what I'm going to do next is just go ahead and crochet it on the cap. As you guys can see, I am starting just above the band of the wig cap right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and crochet it. I only have 2 packs of this hair, so I'm going to have to make it work. I don't even want to use the whole 2 packs, so I'm going to try as much as possible not to use everything because I want it big, but then I don't want it to be so big. So yeah, so when I get to the sides, I'm going to I'm going to crochet it above the seams, but the front and the back I will crochet on top of the band. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, that's what I'm just going to go ahead and do here. And yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys to just watch and see what I'm doing, and I'll be right back. Oh, yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night. Okay guys, so when I get to that place that I folded the cap, I'm going to go ahead and put my pin under that place there, and you know, I'm going to crochet under, and then that is going to like help keep the folded part in place, so it's not going to move, it's not going anywhere. So yeah, now I'm going to start with my second part. That is just where the first part took me to. So yeah, like I said, the volume of the hair depends on how you want it. If you're one that loves big volume, then go ahead and put more hair. If you don't want more volume, just go ahead and space it out. But yeah, I didn't want it to be too big, but I didn't want it to be small, so I was kind of like in the middle. So yeah, I did space it out a little bit, not so much. But yeah, just go ahead and do it however you want it. I mean, the volume depends on you. Even if you put more hair and then when you're done you don't like it, you can always take this off. So yeah, that's the beauty. So yeah guys, I'm just going to go ahead and keep crocheting the hair onto the, you know, the remaining part of the crochet of the cap right there. I'm going to fill up that space, and then I will be right back. Searching after miracles, miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night. Okay guys, so I am almost done crocheting this hair. This is the very last piece, and yeah, I only got 3 strands of hair left. So yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and just take the hair off the mannequin to show you guys what this looks like. So what I'm going to do is that the part that I cut out from the wig cap, there were 2 combs there. So yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. So I have 1 comb at the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that comb from that piece right there and attach it to the front side of the wig cap, so I'll have something to use and secure it on my head. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 of those onto the front side of the wig cap. So when I'm done, it's time to prep our hair. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night, oh. Okay guys, so my hair is dirty. Okay, I did this on dirty hair because I knew I was going to put a gel on, so I just wanted to do it, and then I'll go ahead and wash my hair when later. So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my hair, put my oils, you guys know the drill, and comb my hair out, and then I'm going to apply just a little bit of gel. So what I'm doing right there is adding a little bit of oil to the scrunchie, or to the hair band, sorry, that I'm going to be using to tie my hair, because you don't want anything that's going to snag your hair. So going in with my trusted Eco Styler gel, I'm taking just a little bit, not too much guys, to apply on my hair. A little bit of water, anytime you want to put your hair up, gel, water is your best friend. So yeah, and just put my hair like in a bun. That's basically what I'm doing. I divided it into 2, twisted it to the back and to the front, and I'm going to secure it with a T-pin. So when I'm done here, I'm just going to basically tie my hair down, slick my edges down a little bit and tie it down while I go get ready. And when I'm done getting ready, I'm going to come back and show you guys what we're going to do with the the hair we just made. So you guys, yeah, I'm going to see you in a bit. Okay guys, so I'm back, and this is the hair after attaching 2 pins. Sorry, yeah, 2 of the pins there. So I have 2 in front and 1 at the back. So next I'm just going to go ahead and take out my scarf. My hair is pretty dry because I did not add a lot of gel to it, so it's fine. So next I'm just going to take the front part and attach it to my hair there, and then I'll go to the back and do the same thing, just basically securing it on your hair and make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And I was feeling myself like this could be a look. Anyway, that was not what we were going for in this style. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and make sure to secure this hair on my head using some bobby pins, because we don't want it to fall off. So yeah, next I'm going to go ahead and kind of like frame the hair, because this is supposed to be like a faux hawk. If I leave it like that, you guys can see that it's covering like the sides of my hair and everything, but I want the side of my hair to be exposed. That is what makes it a faux hawk. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a lot of bobby pins actually, and just try to pin the hair down, try to frame it to look good on my head. And next I'm going to like trim it a little bit, nothing too much, even though I felt like I was a little bit scissor happy. But yeah, just trim it to how you want it, the length, if you want it shorter, if you want it longer. To me, I felt like I trimmed it a little bit too much, but that's okay because I pinned the hair down. So when next I'm putting this on, I can redo it again and make it just the way I want it. So yeah, next I'm going to add a little bit of mousse for the flyaways. You guys already know the steps. I do it all the time if you've been watching my videos. And voila guys, that is just basically it for this style. You guys, I love it. It's so beautiful, and the good thing is that it's detachable. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.